Hi guys, so today we're going to be making some Parmesan crusted tilapia fillets. Now to start this recipe off, you're going to take some tilapia fillets and you're going to coat them on both sides with some olive oil. Now after you coat them with your olive oil, you want to coat them on both sides with your favorite fish seasoning. I used some opaque. I also used some lemon pepper and a little bit of salt. Now we're going to set the fish aside. Now to make the coating, you're going to take some freshly grated Parmesan cheese, some freshly chopped parsley, a little bit of smoked paprika, and some salt. And you're going to go ahead and mix those together. Next, we're going to go ahead and coat our fish with this mixture. Now, you don't have to coat both sides. I did, but the mistake that I made was I forgot to spray my pan. I forgot to spray my foil, and it stuck. So please make sure you spray your pan, your cookie sheet, with some non-stick cooking spray if you don't want that issue. Next, we're going to go ahead and pop this fish in the oven. We're going to cook it at 400 degrees for about 10 to 12 minutes. You guys, isn't that beautiful? This fish was so yummy. I'm not a big fish fan, but this was actually pretty good. Don't forget to squeeze your lemon and don't forget your hot sauce. Yum.